Hi, I'm Michael Newrock and welcome to Trend Profiteer. In this video series, I'm covering my best trading strategies. Yesterday we went over power trends. Today we're going over power swings. Tomorrow we're going to put it all together with profiteering. After that, you'll get a template of my light version and an offer to own your very own copy of the Trend Profiteer fully automated system. So let's get straight into it. Now, we're covering Bitcoin to start off with. We're looking back at around the July 2020 period. So I just want to go through so you can see with your own eyes the trade opportunities that come up. Now, with power trends, we caught a lot of wonderful trades. In fact, most of them were winners and many of them were big winners. Power swings allows you to add to your position. So if you're already in a power trend, you can add power swings to it as the price continues to move in your intended direction. So I'm not going to go over the way in which the system determines what a power swing is. That'll be covered. But for now, let's just see the opportunities that did come up. So to start off with, we've got two power swings to the upside, then to the downside, pretty much canceling each other out. After that, we get one here, one here, one here. They all went up tremendously. Now we're looking at getting in at 13,500 to around 18,000 on Bitcoin, and then further up at 51 and 58,000. Now that went all the way up to around 65,000, which is huge. Now, after that, to the downside, we've got two power swings here that started at around the 57,000 and made it all the way down to 31,000. Now, the Trend Profiteer system has trailing stops built in, as well as three moves before those trailings even start. So the emphasis is to always lock in your profits. Here we just had two tiny power swings to the downside. Then we get a nice one up here. Here we get probably our first losers to date. And then after that, we've got a nice swing just before the swing. I mean, magically, boom, you got in here and it went straight down. You would have locked in at least your first two targets, maybe even your third. Here, similar kind of situation where we got in on the power swing and it dropped. Then here, we've got a nice move to the upside, and currently we're sitting on two power swings to the downside. That's Bitcoin. Now let's have a look at Ethereum. Okay, so upswing. Here we've got a little, even though it doesn't look like it here. Again, that's because the charts have been squashed because price has moved so very much. We're looking at Ethereum back here when it was 200 bucks. Okay, so that would have taken you up to around 350, almost double your money. Then after that, we've got an amazing move up. Power swing, on and on and on it goes, all the way up. So you're continually adding to your position and you're locking in profits. Okay, full trade management is built into the Trend Profiteer system. Here we've got a flash crash. Now, with stops automatically placed in, it would have been for sure a loss, but a small loss. In the meantime, you've made so much all the way building up to that point. After that, bang, we're in it again. Power swings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, starting from around 2,000, going all the way up to over 4,000. Okay, 4.2, 4.3. Then we've got power swings to the downside. 1, 2, 3. This would have been a little loser over here, as would have this one been. It went straight down. You can't win every trade, but if you win a lot of your trades and you have good trade practices in place with locking in profits all the time, you're going to do well, particularly if you have a good system that's doing all the automation for you. So a little loss here, and then we're back into the winnings here, here. And once again, you can add to your positions. Downside here, a nice little drop here, instant profit. Probably a little loss on these ones if you had taken them. and then we're into the black again. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, all of them, huge profits you can add to your position as you go. Then back to the downside. So as you can see, this system picks great trade opportunities. These are power swings. They're going to complement your power trends. Tomorrow we're going to go over how you can put it all together. Once again, you've got some nice wins here. And right now we're sitting on winners to the downside. So you don't matter. It doesn't matter whether the price goes up or down as long as you're on the right side of the trade. In other words, when it's going up, you want to be buying, and when it's going down, you want to be selling. All right, that's it for today. Good trading. Live well, and I'll see you soon.